Hi, today I'm going to talk about lemon. Lemon essential oil is excellent when the weather is hot, when the weather is humid, in fact, all the time mostly. And the best way to use it is use it in a mug of water, and then you can pour it over you, or you can use it after a shower. And another one way I use it is put it in a bucket of water and just pour it over me. It is the most refreshing and wonderful bath that you can ever have. The next way to use it, of course, is in your offices, in your homes, in your living rooms, and use it. Take a bowl of water, sprinkle a few drops of lemon into it, and then just leave it there. You're going to find that that is going to give a very refreshing air to the whole room. And apart from that also, lemon takes away all infection. It's excellent for virals. It's so because it's antiviral, it's antibacterial, so it helps all the bacterial and viral infections that go around all the time, like you can have flu and COVID or any of these things. You can use it in a diffuser, and that again is going to help you and protect you from all infection. So it's the most wonderful oil to use, and I also use it just like that on my wrists when I am not feeling too bright, because it has a very refreshing air about it.